Dentitox Pro Review Update July 2021. Click the link in the description to learn more and save $594 today. Dentitox Pro is a nutritional supplement that claims to support healthy gums and teeth. By taking 6 drops of Dentitox Pro daily, you can purportedly give your body the ingredients it needs to cleanse your gums and teeth, reversing serious dental health issues. Does Dentitox Pro really work? Or is it yet another overhyped dental health supplement? Find out everything you need to know about Dentitox Pro and its effects today in our review. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro is a dental health supplement sold exclusively online through the link in the description below. The supplement was developed by a man named Marc Hall, who used the formula to solve his own serious oral health problems. Dentitox Pro comes in a liquid formula. You take 6 drops of the liquid formula daily to support oral health and dental health in various ways. Marc claims to source the formula from local growers, relying on locally sourced plants grown in organic conditions to provide the ultimate oral health formula. By taking 6 drops of the formula daily, you can purportedly support the health of your teeth. Dentitox Pro also claims to keep your teeth strong and your breath fresh, among other benefits. Dentitox Pro is priced at around $69 per bottle. Each bottle should last for approximately 1 month. How does Dentitox Pro work? Dentitox Pro claims to support the health of your teeth using 100% natural ingredients. Dentitox Pro doesn't just claim to support the health of your teeth, it claims to transform the health of your teeth by providing significant benefits. According to the official Dentitox Pro website, you can enjoy eating whatever kinds of foods you like without experience pain, cavities, or gum inflammation. The supplement claims to stop you from worrying about cavities and gum inflammation, both of which are serious dental health conditions. Dentitox Pro uses a mixture of vitamins, minerals, and synthetic and natural extracts to achieve these benefits. The supplement contains 100% of your recommended dietary intake, RDA, of vitamin C, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2, for example. It also contains elderberry extract, sage, cinnamon extract, cinnamon, and other ingredients to freshen your breath. Dentitox Pro even contains ingredients we don't typically see in oral health supplements, including collagen and MSM. Some of these ingredients support gum health by rebuilding gums from the inside out, like collagen and MSM. Other ingredients supercharge your saliva with antibacterial and antiviral properties, like licorice and elderberry. Some ingredients simply freshen your breath, leaving your mouth feeling clean, like xylitol, peppermint, and cinnamon. Who created Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro was created by a man named Marc Hall. Marc is a 54-year-old man who lives near Charlotte, North Carolina. Marc does not claim to be a doctor, a dentist, or any other oral health specialist. Instead, he's just an ordinary guy passionate about plants and their ability to keep us healthy. One day, Marc's wife screamed at him for his gum disease. Marc's gum disease had got so bad that his wife was disgusted with him. Marc walked into his house to find his wife complaining about Marc's gum disease to her best friend on the phone. His breath smells just like a rotting corpse, and his bleeding gums makes me sick to my stomach. His teeth are so gross I'm afraid they will fall out at any minute. To think I have to take him to family dinners like that. Marc was devastated to hear his wife complaining to her best friend about his gum disease. Soon after hearing this conversation, Marc passed out and woke up in the hospital. Marc discovered he was seconds away from dying of his gum disease. Little did I know back then that I was seconds away from dying because of a hidden oral infection. Marc was motivated to solve his gum disease. But Marc didn't trust doctors or dentists. Despite having a serious case of gum disease, Marc turned to the natural world for support. Marc started researching natural ways to cure his gum disease. Eventually, Marc's search led him to a tribe in Africa. Even though it was the most gut-wrenching experience of my life, I'm thankful for it. I know how crazy it sounds. But, you see, that's how I came across an ancient African tribal ritual that is now leaving the entire medical community as complete awe. Marc claims he developed the Dentitox Pro formula based on a primitive African tribe ritual. That African tribe has no idea what a toothbrush is, yet they have low mouth and gum disease rates because of a specific ritual. Members of this tribe perform a ritual to clear inflammations and infections while rebuilding gums and triggering teeth rejuvenation. Marc tested the ritual on himself and experienced powerful results. Despite having a serious case of gum disease that left him seconds away from death, Marc seems to suggest he now has a perfectly healthy mouth, and his wife is happier than ever. Motivated by his own success, Marc added the ritual's ingredients to his formula, and he now recommends the formula to anyone seeking to target their own gum disease. Today, you can buy the formula online in the form of Dentitox Pro. What does Dentitox Pro do? According to Marc and the creators of Dentitox Pro, the formula was developed based on an African tribal ritual that clears inflammation and infections, rebuilds gums, triggers teeth rejuvenation, supports overall oral and dental health. According to the video on the Dentitox Pro sales page, the formula can solve virtually any oral and dental health problem you have. The supplement claims to work in multiple ways to support oral and dental health, targeting your teeth, gums, saliva, and other aspects of health and wellness. How to use Dentitox Pro. The manufacturer of Dentitox Pro recommends applying Dentitox Pro to your teeth and gums daily, using it along with toothpaste. The recommended serving size is 6 drops. You can swish the formula around your mouth, apply it directly to your gums and teeth, or drip it onto your toothbrush. Scientific evidence for Dentitox Pro. There's limited evidence supporting any of the claims made on the Dentitox Pro sales page. The company cites around a dozen studies on its references page to support its claims. However, many of these studies are news reports, health blogs, or other low-quality sources that have not been published in peer-reviewed journals or verified by dentists. The company cites this article as proof that licorice prevents tooth decay and gum disease. That article discusses a study on licorice extract linking the ingredient to gum disease. According to one study, licorice contains 2 compounds linked to antibacterial properties, including licoricidin and licoricoflavin A. These substances killed 2 of the major bacteria responsible for dental cavities and 2 of the bacteria that promote gum disease. The makers of Dentitox Pro also make a big deal out of the effect their formula has on saliva. The supplement claims to turn your saliva into an antibacterial or antiviral agent. By flooding your saliva with antibacterial compounds, Dentitox Pro supports your mouth's ability to defend itself from viruses and gum disease. In this 2011 study, researchers found that saliva has a myriad of beneficial functions that are essential to our well-being. People with saliva issues often develop other oral health issues. As more research continues to be published, we're learning more about the connection between dry mouth, xerostomia, and oral health problems. Xylitol is a natural substance found in fruits and vegetables. It's also found naturally within the body. Xylitol is extracted from birch wood to make medicine, and it's widely used as a sugar substitute. It's most commonly found in sugar-free chewing gums, mints, and other candies. Some studies show that xylitol can prevent cavities. Other studies show xylitol prevents tooth plaque or even ear infections. Elderberry has been used for centuries for general health and wellness. Multiple studies have shown elderberry can speed up your recovery time from the cold and flu. There's limited evidence that elderberry can significantly improve oral health, cure gum disease, or provide other powerful dental health effects. However, some people apply elderberry inside their mouth for gum inflammation. More research is needed to verify if elderberry can reduce gum inflammation or impact gum disease. Using collagen in an oral health supplement may seem unusual. However, some research has connected dietary collagen peptides with periodontal inflammation. In this 2019 clinical trial, researchers sought to analyze the connection between collagen peptides and gingival and periodontal inflammation in patients suffering from periodontal disease. The results of that study have not been published. However, other research shows that collagen supplements could support gum health in various ways. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, and it plays a crucial role in multiple aspects of health and wellness. Although there's some evidence supporting the claims made on the Dentitox Pro sales page, some claims are too bizarre. The maker of Dentitox Pro claims he cured his gum disease using the formula, for example, after he was seconds away from dying from gum disease. There's also no evidence that the ingredients in Dentitox Pro are 100% organic, as advertised on the Dentitox Pro sales page. Organic certification is a big deal, and there's no evidence, on the website, suggesting any of the ingredients in Dentitox Pro have been certified as organic. Overall, there's some evidence suggesting that Dentitox Pro can support oral health. However, it is hard to say it can cure gum disease. If you already have a serious case of gum disease, you need to visit a doctor. Some of the ingredients in the formula have shown that it may be beneficial to users. It may come down to the severity of the issues that the user is facing. The good news is that any orders are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Dentitox Pro pricing. Dentitox Pro is priced at $49 to $69 per bottle, depending on the number of bottles you order. You can exclusively buy Dentitox Pro through Dentitox.com, where pricing breaks down like this. 1 bottle, $69 plus free US shipping. 3 bottles, $177 plus free US shipping. 6 bottles, $294 plus free US shipping. Each bottle contains 30 milliliters or around 30 servings. You take 6 drops of Dentitox Pro per day to support oral and dental health. Dentitox Pro refund policy. Dentitox Pro is backed by a 60-day refund policy. If you're unhappy with the effects of Dentitox Pro for any reason, or if Dentitox Pro did not eliminate your gum and tooth disease issues, then you are entitled to a complete refund within 60 days of your original purchase date. Contact the company to initiate the refund process. You need to return the bottle, even if it's empty, to complete the refund. Who made Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro was made by a 54-year-old North Carolina man named Marc Hall, who claims to have used the formula to cure his own deadly gum disease. There's no evidence that Marc exists or that he used Dentitox Pro to cure his own gum disease. Instead, Marc is a pseudonym used by a paid actor who endorses Dentitox Pro online. Dentitox Pro is actually made at a nutritional supplement facility in Colorado, one that appears to be FDA registered and GMP certified, using ingredients from foreign and domestic sources to create Dentitox Pro. Click the link in the description to learn more and save $594 today.